In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Relevance AI to Clickup. If you're looking to enhance your workflow and integrate these two powerful tools, you're in the right place. We'll go through this step by step to ensure a smooth connection. Let's dive right in. First, you want to head over to the Relevance AI Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the available integrations that Relevance AI offers, including the one for Clickup. Having a solid integration setup can be crucial for seamless task management, thus streamlining your work process and saving time. Once you're in the marketplace, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the section for integrations and API keys. This is where you manage connections between Relevance AI and other software or apps. Accessing this section is essential because it's where you'll start the process of linking your Clickup account. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the integration section for future reference should you decide to expand your use of Relevance AI. With the integrations and API keys, page open, type Clickup into the search bar. This will bring up the Clickup integration, making it easy to find amidst the numerous options available. Searching directly saves you the hassle of scrolling through the entire list of integrations, which can be time-consuming. After you see Clickup in the search results, go ahead and click on it. By selecting Clickup, you're telling Relevance AI that this is the tool you want to integrate with. Each integration in this list might have different steps, but focusing on Clickup ensures we're on the right path for this video's purpose. Next, click on Connect New Account. Here, you're setting the stage for the integration, allowing Relevance AI to securely connect with your Clickup account. You might be prompted to log into your Clickup account if you haven't already. This ensures that Relevance AI has the necessary permissions to access and interact with your Clickup data. Now it's time to proceed by clicking on Continue. You'll do this twice in succession. Clicking Continue confirms each step, ensuring that all changes are being applied effectively and that there are no missteps. It's crucial to follow through to complete the setup process without any hitches. By now you should have successfully initiated the connection between Relevance AI and Clickup. This integration will facilitate better data flow and coordination, making your task management more efficient and effective. Remember, these steps form the foundation of your integration experience, ensuring that Relevance AI communicates correctly with Clickup. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on connecting Relevance AI to Clickup. Feel free to revisit this video if you ever need a refresher or have further questions. Enjoy the enhanced productivity that this powerful integration brings to your workflow.